So we did a little bit of finding the average earlier. What if I wanted to find the average of my averages? Let me show you a little shortcut. One thing I can do is I could highlight the whole column. And then look what pops up down here in the bottom right-hand corner. Isn't that neat? It's actually adding all those numbers together. It also averages them. It tells me the minimum, the maximum, and it counts them. Pretty cool, huh? The average is 74, and the sum is 1030. I can also use the sum formula, of course. So I could write equals sum. I could select that whole column. I could write equals average. Then I could select that whole column. There's a couple of ways to get that, right? Let me show you one more way. Let's say this is a neat little button down here in the right-hand corner called the Explore tool. Let's say that I just wanted to see what Google Sheets could help me out with. So I'm going to click on the Explore tool. And I could ask questions about the data. I could say, what's the average? Yeah, let's see what that is. Oh, it didn't know what I meant. The average of year-end average. They figured out what I meant to ask, right? So let me click on that. What is the average of year-end average? 74. And then maybe I'm trying to learn formulas. I can click on See Formula and it'll tell me how to do it. So this is the formula that I need to do. I could even drag this right over to where it needs to go. Pretty cool. It could insert a chart for me. In fact, the Explore tool is really good at figuring out what you might want to do with your data. It could suggest some formatting to make it look good. That does look pretty good. It can help you build a pivot table, and it will also suggest some interesting graphs. So this one is a scatter plot comparing cycle 1 and cycle 2. This one is looking at their grades and their tutorial hours. A lot of information on that one. I think I'm going to put this one in. Yeah. So if you like it, you just click this button here to insert it. And I do like that chart. That tells me how many people are really coming to my tutorials. It looks like the bulk are coming monthly, followed by occasionally, and then weekly, and then never. So that's helpful information to have. So you can use the Explore tool to help you find the average. You can use formulas, and you can also just highlight the column and get the value that way as well. There's a lot of fast little tools in here to help you analyze your data and get some numerical summaries.